Okay, today on another episode of Ryan Tries with guest star Jeremy for Ryan and Jeremy Try.
It doesn't sound as cool.
We've got maybe some, well, I know what the plants are. We have grape leaves, muscadine leaves, and redbud leaves, and maybe turn them into chips in the same way you do kale chips. And we're going to try and see if this works or not. I'm getting a redbud leaf.
I'll try the grape.
What are the different? I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not a botanist.
Heart-shaped is redbud. The jaggedy, more or less heart-shaped is muscadine.
Muscadine.
So, so smooth. Yeah, smooth is redbud.
Safe bet, he says.
Okay.
All right.
You're doing a redbud.
Oh, it's half of it.
Well, I could eat this. That's fine.
That's
I
fine.
like that a lot.
That's good.
That's pretty good. Okay,
Of
now
course,
we're
I
gonna
think I'm
switch.
just tasting whatever the
It's got
salt
lots
on
of
it.
salt on it.
Yeah, I salted it too much.
Okay, I'll try the red better.
I wanted it to have it. Now I'm doing the muscadine.
That's usually 90% salt. There's only two types of leaves.
I like the muscadine a lot better. Unlike this.
I think I like the muscadine better. But I do like it.
It's okay. But
There's still definitely enough salt, but
Okay, that was my bad. Oh, one half of these is peppered and the other half is just salted, not salted pepper.
so that looks good.
I do like.
this one's kind of got like a
Yeah.
toasted popcorn taste to it.
Oh. I like that the redbuds have a nice handle on this with the stem.
Yeah, oh, it's got.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I'll give it a B. B
No,
for
Don't eat the handle.
best leaf I've eaten a day.
I'll go again on the red better.
Yeah, I'll take on the muscadine a few more times. That thing is still warm. Don't touch it.
Okay. Well, I will. I'll put the recipe in the description under the video then. Wahoo!